Hello everyone, myself Sehaj and I am from Jupiter Academy. My teacher gave me a question to me. The question is, which brand outlet is your favorite that you like most at clothing? So I like Zudio at any cost because of their unique products, the flexibility of their products, the wise that they look, and also they have cheap and low cost of products. Uh, I love it because they have good products for teenagers. That I am the teenager, and also I care about myself, how I look, how I show myself to other people. In fact, they have uh, some outlets in Delhi. So the one of their outlet is near to me. That is in sector 11, I guess. Uh, I love that because of my friend also liked it because in market they have a good and respected image of in clothing brand, and also uh, I use because they provide cheap cost and unique products and visually good products at same time at same cost. In I want Zudio to open more Zudio outlets in overall India because I know everyone like this, like me. So yeah, I relish Zudio visiting. Thank you.